Hey guys, so today we're January 7th, we're getting our first snowstorm. I'd say we got about 10 inches, maybe 11 so far. Just want to adjust the dash cam since it is recording. I'm trying to get it to record this morning and no luck. So I just had to reset my settings on it. So we're coming out to pull out of the Ivory Key parking lot and see how bad or slippery it is. We're going to go down Main Street and just do a little bit of dash video for you. This also gives me a feel for my car in the wintertime, how it's going to perform in the snow. You got to plow over there doing the sidewalk. They haven't declared it a state of emergency or anything for the vehicles to stay off the road, but it's Sunday and most people are home today watching the games. Well, you see it starts pretty close on the dime. Getting ready to pull out on West Street. No traffic, at least to the left. And yeah, so we're going to go up down the streets and see what happens. I'm getting ready to go down on Park Street now. This morning I was talking to the guys from Channel 10 News over there on the left over there. I don't know if they're still there or not. I just got to be careful. Now I was supposed to go over there on the Pilgrim Church and I do the bell ringers, but my friend Jill told me that got canceled tonight. And that noise you hear is the heating for the car. But what do you think of New England and our snowstorm area? I mean, it's cool. So we're going to go down Central Street. We're going to go all the way down to the Registry of Motor Vehicles. We're going to come back. We're going to just go up a few streets and then we're going to go home and put the video together for you guys. So from this point on, if I see something, you know, I'll add it into the video, and otherwise I'm just going to kill all the rhetoric and just put the music in the program I use called Filmora. And I got my lights on for safety, and I got my seatbelt on for the extra safety. And just a word of caution, guys. I've seen a lot of vehicles that don't even clear the snow off their car, on the hood of the car. For God's sakes, clear it off, because it's you know, it's a safety hazard. You know, the plow getting ready to turn there on Manning Ave. But I absolutely love going out in snowstorms, you know. Again, I just want to evaluate the car and see how well the car is performing during the snow. And I absolutely love this. I mean, Walgreens over there, the parking lot's not even plowed out. Our parking lot's not even plowed out where I live. They really piss me off. Maybe that place looks like it's open. I don't know. I got to go and talk to them. Well, they got a new meat place over there opening up in Leominster. I'm just passing Garrity Furniture over here on the, they're getting ready to go out of business. It's sad. Been in business all those years, over 50 years, family owned. So I'm coming down Central Street in our city of Leominster. Over here we got the nice brand new police station there. We'll slow down on the way back there, and then you guys can get an idea from the, hopefully you can get some good video out of this. And I'm sorry about the wiper blades going, but I need it for safety. And I'm just going as slow or fast as the guy in front of me, and I want to push the speed down a little bit. I got a quarter of a tank of gas. I'm going to have to get some gas tomorrow. The whole point about all this stuff here, guys, is I just want to see how well this is going to stop on a dime. Like when I'm, you know, make sure I stay my distance in case the car goes flying with the roads being slippery. But this is Central Street in Leominster, so we're going to just stop since we got a red light over here now. So I got, I don't want to cause an accident, even though I had time to go through the yellow light. A lot of people with gas clouds are filling up today with the gas. And there's not too many cars over there at CVS there, but there are a few cars that have a lot of snow on them. They probably been there all day workers. Over here on my right is Laddie's car dealership. Yeah, they got a lot of their cars over there, probably inside the garage, so they don't have to clean them off. Or they move them over here to this parking lot over here. You see it's a little slippery over here. I just ease up on the gas. driving around today in our brand new 2023 Hyundai Elantra. The only thing is, according to what I figured out, is you're supposed to lift up your blade 5 seconds and hold it. Like what I mean by flip the switch up, hold it for 5 seconds with the motor off, and it's supposed to put your blades halfway up on your windshield, and it hasn't done that. And I did it one time and it worked, and it's not doing it this time, and I don't understand what's going on. So I'm going to have to keep playing around with it, but if you guys let me know what I'm doing wrong, you let me know, you know. But I'm going online on the tutorials that the dealerships are putting out, and I still can't get it to go up. Because basically the reason why I'm saying that is because I want to put my wipers up when they have snowstorms like this, so that the blades don't stick to the windshield. So if you have a solution for me, let me know in the show more down below there, you know, or if I post this. I'm starting to slip a little bit, so now I got to just slow up and ease up on the gas. That's all you guys do. Just know, you know, the roads are very slippery. Oh yeah. I don't know why I bothered doing this, but I just wanted to see. I don't want to end up in the side ditch over there anywhere. Oh boy. This is called Nutty Ron Show. Looks like El Camino's is closed today. I'm gonna find too many places open today. I'm gonna plow over there to my left. The fire station over there. Those guys with their own plow. Passing Chapman Place over here on the right. So I'm going to go down up to the lights over here, and yeah. Very little minimal traffic today, this afternoon. Again, we were supposed to film the bell ringers tonight there. Well, I would have asked them to film it with permission, but it got canceled. Everything else is canceled today, I guess. But I absolutely love doing these videos for you guys. Now we're doing Central Street today in the first snowstorm of the season. You see, that's what I'm talking about. Didn't even bother saying, well, not too bad on that one. I've seen some with about 5 or 6, 10 inches of snow on their hoods of their car and not bother taking it off. I guess some places are open. There are some cars over there in the parking lot that's coming back, passing Brooks Pond over there with the cars starting to hug the road a little bit. So when your car does that, you just ease up on the gas. Just don't even put the gas on. I mean, really, it's quite simple how to drive in this stuff. Really, when you think about it, you just got to use your smarts. Yeah, I had it on the Patriots game today. They were tied up when I left 3-3, and I'm no really interest in the Patriots right now until they get better on the draft picks, and maybe thinking they're going to be going to a new coach at the end of the season. Sad, you know. Belichick has been a outstanding coach here, and just because he's had a little bad luck with the players right now, and the attitudes with the coach and the players and the coaching staff. I think it's time for him to move on to another team and just retire altogether. So again, you just stay focused and concentrate on the roads. I got 2 hands on the steering wheel. Speed limit here is about 30 miles an hour or less, and somebody don't like the speed limit. I can do about it. So I'm going to go as far as the registry of motor vehicles and turn the car around over there. And then we're going to come back the other way and go down Main Street and make a loop up Miriam Ave, I think, and then head home. hope you can see the video. You know, like again, I got my wipers on. I could probably kill them a little bit. I don't think I need them on all the time. But this is really nice driving. I don't mind. Traffic is very light. Every now and then I feel the car like it wants to hug and slide off the road, so I just ease up off the gas. Animal shelter over there. They're plowing the driveway up over there. You know, I gotta slow up because the cars in front of me are going into a snail and a crawl. Probably get some gas on the way back, so I'll be all set for gas for the week. So we're going to be coming up to the Fitchburg, so we're going to be coming up to the Sterling Leominster line over here by the registry. Now we're just passing Jitech Park over there. Pretty sure they probably have a few factories over there open today. So yeah, Harley Davidson motorcycle place over here on my right. I was only on a motorcycle once in my life. I never had a driver's license for that. And kept in my car, just hugging the road a little bit, ease up on the gas, and continue on. Roads are very, very slippery there, but if you go slow enough, you know, and you find yourself pulling into the curb of the road, like again, you just ease up on the gas and then, you know, put your car in the direction of the way that it's sliding, and then you can get yourself out of a bad situation. You remember last year or a couple of years ago there, I went up a Wachusett Street, the ones that have been following me, and I almost got stuck on that little bit of the hill, and I kept working the car back and forth. I didn't panic. The whole thing is not to panic, you know. And I got AAA if I need them if something happens. Yeah, when I feel the car slipping a little bit, I just ease up on the gas. And I got the speed limit down to about 25. Speed limit normally through here is 40, 45 miles an hour, but I've seen cars fly by here 65 miles an hour at times. But for the 2023 Elantra with the new tires on the car, and of course the speed of the car is pushing really well. Chugging right along. As long as I don't have to make any sudden stops. So we got a top cruising speed right now at 25 miles an hour. If you can read that road sign, 40, but you always want to reduce your speed in this weather. Somebody doing their driveway. All the years that Donna and I have been together, I never really owned a house there. We did have a condo for about 6 months there, and it was too much for me to handle. Between the condo association fees and the mortgage, it was just way too much. And now we'll see if we're going to tap our brakes. Hopefully we can stop. This. If you looked on the right-hand side or left-hand side when we came up to the street, they were plowing this side. So this side is nice and plowed. Shouldn't have too many problems with this. So we'll keep the speed down a little bit there and just keep chugging along. may go try to get some gas before I go home. See, now they're doing that side. They always try to tell you if you don't need to be out, don't be out in this weather. But, you know, again, we ease up on the gas when you feel as if it's going off the road. That noise you hear besides the wiper blades is my heat. Keep the car nice and warm on the inside there. So I'm going to be calling up the rental office today and, you know, give them an earful tomorrow. They're going to have to get somebody to do the snowfall when it snows. You know, I get it. We lost a couple of people that quit that did that job, but, you know, that's unacceptable. Stop at a light. Just slightly tap your brakes, guys. You don't need to press hard on them. Return trip on Central Street. Passing the number 2 engine house. Meadowbrook's over here on the right. During the flood there, that whole area got evacuated. There's only 1 or 2 persons that stayed. They can't physically force you out of your home. A lot of them had been rescued by boat. That's over there, Meadow Acres, I should say. Meadowbrook Acres. Plow on my left there, coming up that way with the lights on, but he's not plowing. He's probably going to an assignment. Kudos to our city there. We do in the mayor, you know, we do a fantastic job in the city keeping our roads safe, and, you know, and yeah, and then this morning again, I wanted to do some snow photos this morning, and I went out because they had kind of a little bit of a lull with the snow. This is the second round of it. It was coming in 2 batches today. Channel 10 News was down there, and I was walking across the street to say hi to them, and I saw the mayor there, and I talked to the mayor for a little while, and, you know, and then they did a little bit of an interview with me this morning. I thought that was pretty classy of them, huh? Those guys, I saw them Friday over there at Market Basket doing a story, you know, for the storm. That used to be Tucker Plastics over there on my left. Yeah, now it's a storage place and a couple of other places there. Just passing Market Ave over there. There's no way of going up that hill. Christie's on my right. They're closed today. AutoZone. Yeah, they're open. So there are some places open. Jim's Key Lock. They've been there forever. And that's the BP for gas. He doesn't do gas too much anymore. Mostly all repairs now. There's the Jim's Key Lock right there. Those guys plenty of room and don't bother them, and just you know. So now we're passing by CVS. We have the Country Farms over here. They're in the couple of Country Farms, and we have a Dunkin' Donuts over in there. Been in there many times. Over here we got Acme Auto Body over here on my far right, and then the new police station over there. Oh, I'm sorry about the wiper blades. It's driving me crazy too, but I really need them to see in the snowstorm. Oh, we're just coming past Lancaster Street on my far right. C&M is closed today with the storm. Domino's is open. Well, that concludes our tour of Central Street. So what do you guys think? Do I get a thumbs up for driving? How do you think my driving was? Yeah, so don't forget to like, share, subscribe to my channel. So now this is Mr. Ron. Today is January 7th, 2024. We're probably the tail end of a storm. We're just about coming up to Main Street. We're going to go down to Main Street ways and come back and see what it looks like down that way. Maybe we might go down to the Fitchburg line. We'll see. See, our roads are very well kept. There's a Main Street Cafe on my left over there. I was in there this morning getting coffee. No more muffins for me for a while, guys. Gotta keep your weight off. At least the regular muffins. Now, I got somebody behind me. See, that ticks me off. He's got about 10 inches of snow on the top of his damn car. Let's see if this thing gives him gas today. Maybe I might go and get some gas. Oh. Very, very, very slow. And I think they're gonna kill it right here at the set of lights and take a right and go down. Well, I don't know. We'll see. Maybe we'll continue on. Memories of that parking lot over there. There was one blizzard we had many, many years ago. My mom parked the car across over there and they just totally buried it with snow. She wasn't too happy. There must have been about 12 feet of snow around her car. It took us better part of half a day to shovel it out. But I guess that taught my mom a lesson. See that Leominster roads are well taken care of and well plowed out. I mean, come on, guys, and now get with your act if you're a city or a town official watching my video. Get a hold of your DPW there. Make sure they do their job. Fitchburg is terrible. There's so many side streets and hills. The hills of Fitchburg, it's really bad. Right now I'm just about passing Applebee's on my right. And, Yeah, they were actually open, surprisingly. They only got one car there, two cars there. Looks like they're open anyways. Coming up to the set of lights over here, the McDonald's are on my left. Okay, now I can go for the lights. I got the green light. People walking. The roads are really slippery to be walking. So if you guys are wondering what time of day it is right now, we're in the afternoon hours. It's about 3 o'clock now. We got about another hour of daylight. Almost done. Got to shoot down to the car barn over there by the Fitchburg Leominster line. Swing the car around and come back the other way, and then shoot up maybe Merriam Ave. That's going to be it. See, by the way, the car is hugging the road. It's very, very slippery. I keep my distance from this guy over here. I don't want to whack into anybody with the new car. I don't own it. I'm leasing it there. I'm kind of like had second thoughts about it now. I wish I never leased the car. Should have just bought it. Probably could have gone down 1 or 2 years under this and bought it. Got it $4,000 or $5,000 cheaper. Lesson learned. I hope this video comes in okay. You know, it might be kind of like hard to see because of the wiper blades are constantly going, but it is snowing out right now. I would say it's mixing with rain right now, and all this is supposed to get very, very cold later and freeze over. So that was another reason why he pulled over and got gas, because I was down to 32% on my phone app, so I figured, well, I'll get gas while I, $25 for gas. I don't think that was too bad. This guy's trying to take a left over here. I want to give him some room. He used to get stuck. There you go. But that's the new Hyundai dealership building over there. Boy, they're coming a long way with that. This is where I bought the car, or leasing the car, I should say. I'm sure they'll be happy when they got that building done. Probably be a big grand opening. So I'm seeing some places that are open and other places that you would think that would be open would be closed. Right now we're just at the beginning of the Fitchburg Leominster line. I'm going to turn the car around over on the left over here by the cow barn. Okay. See if we can turn the car around up over here. Stuck over there. Then we go up this way. Hanover's is open. Very few cars there. Burger King is open if you want a burger. Can't even see the lights on the light change. Ain't that cool? Could be dangerous if you can't read. Ay, ay, ay. Now we're coming down Merriam Ave. As you can see there, it's almost kind of like a whiteout conditions over here. But you know, I'm driving along. I'm going along pretty good. Keeping the speed down to 25. Almost. Oh, I think that's just telling me is enough driving around for today, guys. So now I'm coming down West Street, getting ready to go home. Very, very slip up here. Slippery. passing the nursing home on my far right over here. Now I got to slow up and get 1,000